Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make medicinal oregano oil. First, you'll need to gather your fresh oregano and a good carrier oil, like extra virgin olive oil. It's crucial to sterilize all your equipment, including jars and cutting boards, to prevent any contamination. Once everything is clean, finely chop your fresh oregano leaves. This step is important because it helps release the beneficial compounds into the oil more effectively. Next, combine your finely chopped oregano with the carrier oil in a clean glass jar. You have two main infusion options: a slow, sun-infused method which takes several weeks, or a quicker heat infusion. If you choose heat, gently warm the mixture in a double boiler or slow cooker for about 3 to 6 hours. Remember, the goal is gentle warmth, not boiling, to preserve the oregano's properties. After the infusion period, it's time to strain your oil. Place several layers of cheesecloth over a clean bowl or jar and pour the oregano oil mixture through it. Once most of the oil has drained, gather the cheesecloth around the oregano pulp and squeeze it firmly to extract any remaining oil. Finally, transfer your homemade oregano oil into a dark glass bottle and store it in a cool, dry place to maintain its potency. When using your homemade oregano oil, remember that it's very potent. Always dilute it with a carrier oil, like olive or coconut oil, before applying it to your skin or taking it internally. It's also wise to consult a healthcare professional for personalized advice on dosages and safe applications, especially if you have underlying health conditions. For more great finds and deals, including that fantastic link for darn tough socks with a lifetime warranty, make sure to check out the description below this video. Thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.